Hi guys, so nandito kami sa the Henry Ford Museum. If you think about it, parang boring, parang the Henry Ford, parang feeling mo puro sasakyan lang, pero hindi pala. There's so much to see, and it's very educating, ganyan. Tapos yung history talaga is very rich here. So, ito guys, yung original nila na gas station. So, long time ago, pag pupunta ka sa gas station, ito yung madadatnan mo. Yan. So, dati guys, yung pag naggagas sila, pinapump nila. Ayan. So, ganyan yung sistema nila before nung 1920s. Tapos, nung 1940s, eto na. Meron na silang calculation kung magkano yung babayaran dapat per gallon.
Electric car noong 1970s. Yan. Kasi nagkaroon daw ng crisis dati, noong 1970s, nagkaroon ng gas crisis.
Guys, so yung hybrid car is not a new concept. This is the 1916 hybrid car. So, it's interesting kasi personal thought it's a new concept, pero hindi pala. Pero dahil hindi siya widely supported by the people, nawala din yung company. Hindi rin siya nag-progress, hindi siya bumenta. So, it closed in 1980. Ito yung electric tricycle noong 1896. 1896, ayan. So, ito yung e-trike, ang predecessor, ang ninuno ng mga e-trike. Yan. Ito naman yung yung Packard family car. Ang mahal niya, 1904 siya ginawa, pero hindi siya nabenta talaga kasi super mahal. That time, 1904, it cost $3,000. Grabe. Pero ang salary nun, annual salary is $490. So, wala talaga maka-afford nun. But it's really nice. It's really big noong mga panahon na. Guys, ganito sila mag-camping before. So, may gulong dyan. Tapos, may tent sa taas. Tapos, I suppose, parang trailer. Hinahatak nila. Oh, tama. Isa trailer. Ayan o. Kinakabit nila doon sa sasakyan. Tapos, parang RV. Yan, sinauna. Ninuno ng RV. Ito yung camper van nila noong 1916 to 24. Yan. So, sa Volkswagen. So, parang ang liit lang din niya, guys. Para yung mga sasakyan before, parang ang liliit. This part naman is yung early roadside lodging nila. So, yung tinatawag nilang motel. So, we're very familiar with the word. But originally pala, it is from Motor Plus Hotel. Ayan. So, ito yung isa sa mga sinaunang lodging nila. So, let's see what's inside. So, ayan, simple lang, ang liit lang. Ang baba rin ng bubong. So, talagang, lang, parang mga pang one day stay lang. Ayan. Interesting. Sikat nun, guys, is yung Holiday Inn. Ayan. So, sobrang taas nito. Nilalagay nila sa taas ng building. Para kahit malayo pa lang yung mga tao, is kitang-kita na yan. Ganyan siya kataas. So, nag-evolve na yung nila, lodging nila. So, from motels, so, naging, na talaga, parang nilakihan nila yung, yung area. Yan. So, ito na. So, para gumaganda na kasi marami ng mga nagta-travel. Itong, guys, rapid bus. Ito yung, nakasulat dito, direct ancestor ng modern shuttle buses sa airport. So, ito yon guys. So, 1906, meron na silang public transport para ihatid yung mga tao from point A to point B, specifically moving to the to the airport para mas easy access for them. Guys, this car naman is electric car. Ito yung dinrive ni Clara Ford, wife ni Henry Ford noong 1930s. Yan. So, for women, mas gusto nila yung electric cars kasi mas wala siyang ingay. Tingnan natin yun dito sa taas ng cargo ng tren. Ay, hindi. Tren siya. Look at this, guys. Parang ang baba. Parang ang liliit nila. So, ito yung sa loob. Tapos parang ang liliit lang ng spaces. So, parang siguro maliliit lang yung tao before. Compared ngayon. I don't know. Pero ito yung tren na sinasakyan nila before. Guys, di ko alam kung happy kayo. Pero ako happy. Parang ang dami kong nakikita, dami kong nalalaman. Tapos ngayon hinahanap ko yung ni Henry Ford. Model T. Yan. So, yung nagpa-famous sa kanya. Ay, ito na. Ay, Model A. Ito guys ay Ford Model A noong 1903. Yan. Guys, interestingly, itong itong sink na to is, ito yung sink mismo ni Henry Ford and ni Clara Ford dun sa bahay nila. So, noong 1873, dito nag-experiment si Henry Ford para alamin kung paano patakbuhin yung mga makina. So ito, imagine nyo guys, nandito is yung mga gas, minimix niya dyan, tapos inaano niya yung mga wires. So dito yun. Sa kitchen sink nila, pinagkakabit niya dyan. Nakita ko na yung Model T. Ito guys, yung Model T ni Henry Ford, ito talaga yung nagpatatak sa kanya sa buong mundo. Kasi this Model T was first mass-produced. Kasi nagkaroon na siya ng way to assemble the cars faster. So they painted all of them black. So not because it dried fastest, sabi dito sa sabi dito sa writings. Pero kasi cheap siya, tsaka durable. So in 1914, Ford Model T was born. Ito na yung mga succeeding cars nila. So, it become more stylish throughout the years, guys, because of his son, Edsel Ford. Siya yung mas, talaga sa taste. Siya yung may mga taste sa design. Compared to Henry Ford, na ang gusto lang ni Henry Ford is very functional and very affordable for the middle class. So, this, guys, is the model of Boeing 737 in 1967. So, pasok tayo sa loob, guys. So, ito yung kanilang parang, ito yung example nung kanilang nung aircraft. So, may mga cabin, may TV, meron din siyang cabin. Ay, di mabuksan. Kala ko mabubuksan. Ayan. So, pretty much the same naman dun sa natin, no? Sa aeroplano natin ngayon, noong 1967. Pero, siguro hindi siya masyadong modern. Pero it's really nice. This is the 1939 airplane naman, guys. So, yung mga cabin nila, mga bukas. Yan. So, wala siyang mga sara. Tapos, maliliit lang din yung spaces. Dito sa harap, medyo maluwang. Pero dito is very limited yung space niya. Ayan. Tapos, ito is Ford Trimotor 1928. Wow. Bamboo siya, guys. Bamboo ang upuan niya. Yeah. It's bamboo or rattan. Maybe it's rattan. So, that's interesting. So, ito yung 1928. So, naka-screw naman siya, guys, syempre, for safety purposes. And it's very small. Syempre, onti lang yung mga tao pa na nakakapunta rito. So, interesting. So, ito siya. Guys, hinahanap ko yung yung sa Wright Brothers. So, I think this is the exact replica. Ito yung exact replica nung Wright Brothers plane. So, this is nice. Yeah, this is their first aircraft na successfully na napalipad. Nice. Tapos parang may event din pala sila dito. Nagpapa-event sila. So, I guess may event later. So, bago magkaroon ng event later, may gusto ko ipakita sa inyo guys. Ito. Yung mga presidential cars. Yan. So, ito yung mga presidential cars. Itong presidential car na to guys is yung 1939 Lincoln, and specifically, ito ang first car na ginawa talaga and designed for a president. So we could say this is the first presidential car ng United States of America. So noong 1939, it's Lincoln, made in America. From newborn nation to manufacturing superpower. Yan guys. Ito guys yung Model T ni Henry Ford. The famous Model T. Ito yung different parts. Yeah. So sinegregate nila for people to see how he constructed and built it.
Mama, so we has this in our house.
Oh, yeah.
I like this.
We don't need
I want to
Ellie. What's for Ellie, Papa? How about this one for Ellie? This is a jet pilot. So, jet pilot doll. This one, Ellie, you want a doll? Ellie, you want a doll? You want a doll? This one? You want it? Ellie? Why you want that? Guys, so the founders, so Henry Ford, Clara Ford, and their son Edsel Ford. Founders of the Henry Ford Museum. At some point, si Henry Ford was the richest man on earth. So, kaya napagawa niya to. Itong the Henry Ford Museum, tapos yung Greenfield Village, tapos yung factory ng Ford. Papa, Ford F-150. Yun yung doon ang manufacturing hanggang ngayon. So, yun. So, thanks for watching guys. See you!